Came across a GWK file from older productivity software? This is a GenieWorks document from a legacy Office application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access these GenieWorks document files. Consider this the advanced section. For those with critical GWK data, I have an expert-level solution waiting. First, the simple methods. A .GWK file is a document created by GenieWorks, an integrated Office suite for the Psion line of personal digital assistants, PDAs. Users encounter these legacy files when trying to access or convert old data from Psion devices, which could contain text, spreadsheets, or other Office-style content from the 1990s. This is a proprietary binary format designed for the low memory and limited processing power of early PDAs. The structure was optimized for efficient storage and quick loading on the EPOC operating system. It encapsulates all document elements, including text, formatting, and embedded objects, into a single compact file. For viewing and interaction, GWK is most commonly opened via GenieWorks from Genie systems. The complex layout and formatting tags are not correctly parsed by Windows defaults. Windows can show simple previews, but detailed editing must be done in supported document tools. To guarantee the file opens, right-click your GWK file and select Open With. Check for GenieWorks first. If it is absent, select another program. A systematic check of installed tools is vital. When your GWK file does not open, it is usually a small issue. The system isn't broken, the file is simply misunderstood. Here are the most common technical causes for this GWK error before we apply the universal fix. First, opening in GenieWorks. Install GenieWorks productivity software if available from the original vendor or legacy software archives. Launch the application and use File then Open to load the GWK document. GenieWorks displays the document with full formatting and editing capabilities, providing native access to all document content and features. Next, converting to modern formats. Open the GWK file in GenieWorks and use File then Save As or Export to convert to standard formats like Microsoft Word, DOSX, RTF, or PDF. This enables continued access in modern Office applications, including Microsoft Office Google Docs, and LibreOffice Writer maintaining document content across software platforms. Finally, using LibreOffice Writer. Try opening GWK files in LibreOffice Writer, which includes import filters for various legacy document formats. If direct opening fails, save the document as RTF or plain text in GenieWorks first, then import the converted file into LibreOffice for continued editing in current open-source Office software environments. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools, available at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.